Now I am going to show you how you can compare your Bargue drawing with a reference and spot the differences. It's completely free and so easy that even my grandma can use it. Shoot a photo from your drawing and the reference from the distance and zoom in instead of shooting the image up close. This reduces lens distortion. Save the image on your computer. Open your browser and go to pixlr.com/editor. It's PIXLR.com. If necessary, allow Flash being used on this page. Simply open your image. Let me just maximize this window and close all unnecessary tool palettes. We only need the layers palette. Let me zoom in, and with pressing the spacebar you can position the image as required. Now press M or select the marquee tool in the tools palette. Make a selection over the Bargue reference and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste the selection into a new layer. Now reduce the opacity of the layer to 50% and press V or select the Move tool. Drag the new layer over your drawing until they overlap as much as possible. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard for smaller steps. If necessary, you can rotate the image going to the menu and choosing Edit, Free Transform. Set the opacity back to 100% and switch the top layer on and off to see the differences. That was it.